Hey, what's up guys? In this video we will see how to disable auto screen rotate on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now to do that, just scroll down and open the control center. Now from here just disable auto rotate. Now if you cannot find this option in your quick settings on the control center, just tap on edit. Now from here just tap on edit. And from here, just find the auto rotate option. And once you find it, just tap on it to edit and tap on done to save. Now, once you have added the auto rotate shortcut in your control center, just scroll down and disable auto rotate. Just like that. And this is how you can disable auto screen rotate on the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.